So this is the Lego Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3 with informational plaque. You've got that iconic Ferrari red. You've got the butterfly doors right up here that are fully functional. The Ferrari logo is printed all over this thing. You've got the chrome painted rims with the Ferrari brake pads back in there. And then at the front here, again, you've got the Ferrari logo. You've got the opening hatch for storage. You've got a top that removes over here to give you access to the inside with the blue bucket seats. Again, the Ferrari logo printed on the headrest there. And then you've got the back of the vehicle that also opens up fully, and you get to look at that beautiful V12 engine inside there.